One ball, 0 strikes.
Okay, so balls are first, strikes are second, all right? So that's your count. It's very important that you know them. Here's why, all right? The five counts that we want to make sure that we're aggressive in, that we're looking for, and show me where, grab the ball. Where do you like to hit the ball? Where's your favorite spot? Okay, so most guys like the ball middle away, middle in, waist high, okay? So anywhere in this area right here is probably 80% of you guys' best pitch, for the pitch that you like to hit the most, right? Does anybody like this pitch?
No.
Anybody like this pitch?
Yeah.
You do?
I like it.
Well, you need to get away from that. All right? So, everybody's pitch is right here. This is a ground ball. We don't want this pitch. All right? Everybody's looking for this pitch right here. So, when are we looking for that pitch? At what count?
3-0.
Maybe. What other counts? No.
3-2. 0-1.
Really, guys?
2-2. 2-0.
All right, there's the first answer. 2-0. What other count?
1-0.
1-0. That's two of them. What other count?
3-0.
Wait.
0-1.
No.
1-1.
No. 3-1. There's three of them. Where's the? There's two more.
3-2.
No.
2-1.
No. Yeah, 2-1.
1-2.
No.
2-2.
Think.
3-2. 2-0.
We said 2-0. What about 0-0?
Oh.
What about our first pitch? I didn't hear you. You said it. Okay, our first pitch, guys. What are pitchers mostly trying to do?
Strike.
The first pitch. He just walks up to the plate. What is the pitcher trying to do for his first pitch?
Strike.
Throw for strike. Okay, they're always taught. I teach my pitchers to throw 2 out of 3. First 2 out of 3 pitches have to be for strikes. Okay, 2 out of 3. All right, so 90% of the time, your first pitch is going to probably be somewhere in that you like, because a pitcher's trying to get ahead. Most pitchers, most batters don't like to swing at the first pitch, so they let that one go. And why do we let the best pitch of the count or the at bat go on the first pitch? We
So
don't.
we have an idea where the ball's going?
Yeah, but that's what that's the problem. Is that a lot of guys. So all of a sudden you let this pitch go, and now what's the count? 0-1, and you just saw the best pitch that you're probably going to see at your at bat. So then the next pitch, because now you're down 0-1, is down here. Okay? So what I'm trying to tell you guys is on these 5 counts, listen: 0-0, 1-0, 2-0, 2-1, 3-1. Okay, those 5 counts, we have to look for a pitch that we can drive, and it has to be our pitch. Who was it? I think it was. Who was the last batter over here? It was. Was it you? Yeah. Okay, and so I'm at 2 or 3 pitches that were down here. All right. So get ready, get set up. So let's say the count. Let's say it's 2-0, and the pitcher throws you this pitch. It's a strike. Do we swing at this pitch?
No, not really.
No, we shouldn't, because we still have 3 strikes to deal with. If you swing at this pitch at 2-0, you're giving up an out on a strike. You're swinging at a ball that's really going to probably produce a ground ball out on a 2-0 pitch. So on these 5 counts, again, listen. Hey, pay attention. 0-0, 1-0, 2-0, 3-1, 2-1. Those 5 counts. Anything that doesn't have 2 strikes in it. I mean, you can add 3-0. I don't add it because it just depends on the situation if we're swinging at 3-0 or not. But those 5 counts, pay attention. Those 5 counts, we're looking for this pitch right here. That's it. That's it. Something that we can drive. We don't want this pitch. We don't want this pitch. We don't want this pitch. Not on those counts. When do we want these? When are we going to swing at these pitches? Anytime we have 2 strikes. Okay, anytime we have 2 strikes, then we're just looking to put the ball in play. But we don't want to swing at this pitch if we're 2-0 or 1-0. I mean, why swing at this pitch? It's just going to be an out. So it's very important. And coaches, I can't tell you guys how important this is if you have somebody miss this pitch right here, okay, on 2-0, or they swing at this pitch, when they come back to the dugout, ask them what the count is. Say, what was the count right there? And you'll be surprised at how many kids don't even know what the count is that they're swinging at. Okay? We have to understand, we have to know what the count is. If you swing at this pitch right here and you drive it deep as left center, it's an out, hey, at least you gave it a draw. You know, you went after a pitch that you liked. But don't go after a pitch that you don't like when you're in those 5 counts. It's knowing your strike zone, knowing what to swing at. If he's up to the plate, it's set up, and he swings at this pitch right here. Let's say it's my first pitch, and he swings and misses at this pitch. Where do you think my next pitch is going to be?
Down low.
Why?
So you throw him off guard because your first pitch is up high.
My first pitch is here, and he swings at this. My next pitch better be higher. Okay? Because if he's going to swing at this one, he might swing at this one. I'm already had one in 0-1. I have a strikeout. I can waste the pitch if I want. I might throw it up higher. Let's see if he goes after that. And now if I get 0-2 and he swings at this one, where am I going to